Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Gold Coast Beauty, and welcome to another Tree Tuesdays on a Thursday. So as per usual, we're going to start off by showing you the conversation, and then I'm going to break it down into pronunciation and meaning, and finally at the end there will be a quiz. Give your answers in the comment section. So this conversation starts with, "Hey Kwesi, what's up?" Kwesi is a male born on Sunday, and what's up is pretty much the informal way of saying how are you. So instead of saying wohu to sing, which is how are you, you just say etising. Kwesi etising. Kwesi etising. Kwesi, what's up? And Kwesi responds by saying abna eye. Abna eye. Eye is like I'm good, I'm fine. Abna is a female born on Tuesday. Wohu to sing mehunye is the formal way, but the informal way is etising eye. And then Abna goes and asks, "I am looking for the hospital. Can you please tell me where it is?" And how you'd say that is me pa chel ubetimi akyerɛ me ekwan a ekɔ eyaresabea ho. Me pa chel ubetimi akyerɛ me ekwan a ekɔ eyaresabea ho. Eyaresabea is hospital. Eyaresabea is hospital. Me pa chel, please. Ubetimi is like can you, is it possible that you? Treme is show me or direct me. Show me or direct me. Ekwan a ekɔ. Ekwan a ekɔ is like the route to or the road to. Me pa chel ubetimi akyerɛ me ekwan a ekɔ eyaresabea ho. And they respond by saying no, I don't know. The word for no is debi, debi, or dabi, dabi. Debi meaning I don't know. I don't know. Meaning is I don't know. And then Abna says, "I think I can take a trotro there." Trotros are like I feel like the most readily used form of transportation in Ghana. They're like little buses that are owned by individuals. Eye me say metimi afa trotro alcohol. Eye me say metimi afa trotro alcohol. Eye me say is like I think, it seems to me, to my knowledge, metimi, I am able to. Metimi, I am able to. Metimi afa trotro alcohol. Koho is to go there. Go there. Koho, go there. So then she goes on again and says, "Ehefa na menye bi." Ehefa na menye bi. Ehefa, like again, ehefa we did in our last lesson. Whereabouts can I get basically this trotro? Ehefa na menye bi. So Kwesi replies by saying it's over there. And how you say that is eno na ewo hono. Eno na ewo hono. Eno na ewo hono. Eno is like basically the subject we're talking about. So if it's hospital, the taxi rank, whatever it is, eno. The thing we're talking about, the subject is the eno. The eno na back to the alphabet, wo hono. Eno na wo hono. She responds by saying where? I don't see it. And how you say that is ehefa. Again, whereabouts. Whereabout or where. Ehefa. Me hu. Me hu. Okay, so Kwesi, being the gentleman that he is, he wants to give a bit more directions on how to get to the eyaresabea, the hospital. He says, if you cross the road and look on your left, you will see it. Or if you cross the road and look on your left, there it is. And how you'd say that is se ucha kwaini mua. Se ucha kwaini mua. When you cross the road, cha is like to cut, but in this context it means to cross. So when you cross the road, quine, ucha kwaini mua. Shre, shre. Look at that H and that W making sh. Then there's an back to your alphabets. Ucha kwaini mua. Shre, show benkum. Benkum su. Benkum is the left. Benkum su is like your left side. So benkum su. Ubenkum, you will see it. Or ewoho, it is there. Ubehu, you will see it or ewo ho. Who is to see. So the N makes it negative, which means I can't see. So me, who, I can't see. If you took away the N from the HU, it would go back to being a positive. So me who, negative. Me who, positive. Me who, negative. I can't see. Me who, positive. I can see. And then Abena says, I see it now, thanks. I see it now, thanks. And how you say that is afe me hu ho me dasi. Afe is like at this moment you just come to realization, oh, now I see. Me dasi. Thank you. So now I see it. Me dasi.
Kwesi ati saying Abna eye me pa chew wobetimi akyerɛ me ekwan a ekɔ eyaresabia ho. Debi minim ho or debi minim. Eye me se metimi afa trotro akɔ. Ehemfa na menye bi. Eno na ewo ho no. Ehemfa minhu. Se wotwa kwan ni mu a hwe wo benkum so wo behu. Or se wotwa kwan ni mu a hwe wo benkum so ewo ho. Afei mehu medase.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope you found this helpful and I'll see you guys on my next video.
Test yourself. Translate these two words into English. Eye, ehemfa, mihu, hwe, benkum so, etisen.